I am Shawnee G, and this is Voice Comedy. Question: have you ever wondered what a leprechaun sounds like? Of course you have. Let's be honest, who hasn't? But unfortunately, I was not able to get one for today, so sorry. But I got the next best thing. I got a collection of voices, which I recasted as leprechauns. Enjoy.
You think you own the spot of gold. You merely adopted it, took it from someone else. I was born by it, molded by it. I was a grown leprechaun by the time I saw the light of day. And when I was dead, I found I only liked the gold. Why? Someone else. Take it. It is yours. Do what you like. None shall stop you. But if you take my gold, I will destroy you.
Gold? What gold? That is just meaningless peasant stuff. If you touch this gold, I'll turn you into a flea. A harmless little flea. Then I put that flea in a box, and I put that box in another box, and then I'll mail that box to myself, and when it arrives, I'll smash it with a hammer.
Of course you like this day. What's not to like about this day? Clover, shamrocks, lucky charms. I could hang myself with all the bad green neckties out there. And the extraordinant of all things Irish never ends. I want a shamrock. I want corned beef. I want bowls and bowls and bowls of lucky charms. I don't want to make waves. But this whole St. Patrick's Day season is just stupid. However, I do find the pinching tradition to be quite enjoyable. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Also, feel free to leave a comment about your favorite St. Patrick's Day tradition. Until next time, I'm Shawnee G. Enjoy.